If you live in an area prone to severe weather, protecting your home is vital. And one of the most important things you can do is to cover your windows and doors. I'm going to show you how to do it right. Let's begin with plywood. It's economical and widely available. At a minimum, you'll want to use exterior grade 5/8 inch plywood to help protect against strong winds and debris. First, measure the inside of your window casings top to bottom, then side to side. We want the plywood to be 5 inches larger than the window all the way around. So add 10 inches to each dimension. However, if you have window sills, you'll have to factor that in, so you'll only add 5 inches to the height. Take these measurements to Lowe's, where an associate can help you determine how much plywood and what type of fasteners you'll need, depending on your home's exterior. Cut the plywood to fit for each window. And here's a helpful tip. After you cut all of your pieces, you'll want to label all of your boards so you know exactly where they go. Then, apply a water sealer. Mark for holes at the corners of each piece of plywood at 1.5 inches in from the edge. Then, make marks evenly at every 12 inches around the entire board. Once you've made the appropriate marks on your plywood, it's time to drill the holes at each mark. Next, align and hold the plywood in place, and then drill again through the holes and directly into the home's exterior. If you're dealing with larger windows or doors that a single piece of plywood can't cover, you can join two pieces together with a 2x4 and securing both halves with screws at approximately every 4 inches. You'll then use the same method to hang this larger board as you did for the smaller windows. If you're concerned about high winds that could draft under and peel the plywood loose or even completely away, another method is to install plywood inside the window or door openings and secure it to the casing. Once the storm is past and it's safe to go outside, check for damage and carefully remove the screws and boards. At this point, you should fill the holes with sealant. Now you know how to protect your home from damaging winds and how to do it right. For additional severe weather tips and products, visit Lowes.com.